Good morning, Jim Skaggs from Autoscope European Car Care. At Autoscope, we do a lot of big things to get you the places that you need to go. We also want to check the little things, because the last thing we would want to see is for you to come back due to coolant not being topped off or a service light not being reset, because after all, what we want to do is get you the places you want to go. All right, we finished the checklist. Looks like we're ready to get you where you want to go. Remember, we have other locations. We have our location here in Plano, one by Love Field Airport, and one at Coit Rd Lake.